Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how TwitchBait works. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. The working process of TwitchBait is actually very simple. TwitchBaits are mostly used to cheer the streamer in Twitch. Whenever a viewer wants to show their support to any specific streamer, the viewer can purchase TwitchBits and send it to the streamer through the chat section. Now, in order to know more about TwitchBits, you can go to your browser and search for TwitchBits. Then, you can get this purchase bits section into Google Chrome. Just simply open that bits section and you can get all of the details about bits. You can purchase 100 bits for $1.40. Similarly, you can go up to 25,000 bits from this section. Whenever you purchase these bits, you can use it to cheer up the streamer by using this into the streamer's chat. They will receive 1 cent for every bit that you use into their chat. This way, TwitchBait can be used to cheer the streamer and show your support. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.